We have developed the leading software in Portugal for the food and beverage sector. And in addition to ZS REST, we also developed softwares and solutions designed specifically to take the restaurant sector far beyond customer service. From fully contactless orders and payments, restaurant management solutions, to integrations with the main takeaway and delivery platforms. And all this without losing focus on reliability and ease of use. Developed to be reliable, easy to use, and with all the features your business needs, ZS REST is the software that is constantly evolving for your restaurant to get better and better. From 100% integration with platforms like Uber Eats and Glovo, to ordering, payments, and invoicing at the table to increase the productivity and table rotation. ZS REST is your choice. Thanks to our hybrid cloud mechanism, the whole environment of the business can be managed and monitored remotely from any device all around the globe through the internet. Please watch the video till the end, and in case you need more information, drop a message and let us know how we can help. As a computer technician, you want to know how it works, so let's get started. Installation instructions. First thing to do is to open your browser and download the latest version. After the download is completed, extract the files and run the setup to execute the installation. If you became a software distributor, copy and paste the serial number from your licensing manager. After the installation is finished, let's open the software for the first time. It's mandatory to set a cashier number and a POS number. In this case, we're gonna set cashier 1, POS 1. Fill your email address and your client's email address and accept the terms. Now we're going to change the program language to English. Open the file as indicated on the video and change the language from PT to EN in order to get English language on your interface. Now you're going to access the local back office for the first time. After setting a new password for the administration, get into the configurations and set up your peripherals and other settings as shown. Keep in mind that many of those configurations are also available on the online back office, thanks to our hybrid cloud system. Create a table layout on the table map editor. Pick the table style, then add by clicking on the empty area. Change or create new operators. It is necessary to set a name, password, and permissions. Open the point of sale using the new operators. As you can see, the default layout is very simple and basic. But it's also possible to replace and customize your own skins. Input your username and password from your partner's area to access your own customized skins. Now with the new layout set, let's start the operation. Check your table map and start selling products. That is not going to be possible until we create some products. Open a browser from any device to access the online back office, ZSBMS. Input the fiscal number, username, and password in order to log in and create new products. To create products, it is necessary to create at least one family, and then you can fill in with products. Set the description, price, taxes, and other details. You can also add a photograph for each product. Now let's start a cashier session for the day in order to place orders and print bills. Once you have finished creating the whole product list, it is possible to place orders to different production areas. For example, the kitchen and the bar. It is also possible to add comments to each individual product and let the kitchen knows how the clients want their food. The orders then will be printed or shown on our kitchen monitors. We have also developed an Android application, which allows the staff to collect orders directly from the table to the kitchen or the bar. It's important to keep in mind that to make it work properly, you have to configure a dedicated network with good Wi-Fi coverage. The order then will be launched to the printers or the monitors. Managing the business remotely. We've created a quick analysis app compatible with iOS and Android, a very friendly user interface which allows the business owner to access the application and see in real time what is happening, checking the sales performance or comparing homologous periods, to even accessing in real time the stocks of the products. It makes it very easy to manage the business from your pocket. These are only few of the solutions we have available. Let us know if you want to know more about what else we can do to help you manage your business. Our team is ready to respond and glad to help you in further questions. Thanks for watching.